stopping.
Looks up and says, I can't
Stop
see
and finally
God's
go
face. This is my temporary home. It's not where I belong. Windows and rooms that I'm passing through. This was just a stop on the way to where I'm going. I'm not afraid because I know this was my temporary home. This is our temporary
Where'd the lightning go?
Sure, I think about you now and then, but it's been a long, long time. I've got a good life now. I moved on.
Jesus, loud.
So when you cross my mind,